Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create hugging video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, video.studio. You can open this website with your computer or with your mobile phone, and here I have opened it with my mobile phone, and here we're going to use this feature to create hugging a video. You can select the image to video and you can upload your image right here. For example, I'm just going to choose this image and we can write the prompt right here, but wait, it's still uploading. Okay, now it's done. And then I'm going to type in make them hug. Okay, just like that. And then after that, you're going to click on create. Here I have 4 credits. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment until the hugging video has been created with this website. Okay, now my video is in queue. Usually this website is very busy, so we need to be patient to wait our video. Okay, I'm just going to pause this video guys, and I'll be right back if the process has completed. Okay, and now the hugging video has been created guys, and I'm going to play it to take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the result. And if you want to download it, you can click on the save icon and the video will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create hugging video with AI for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.